Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Chikha Aulia Linaldi. I'm from Science Education B, Faculty of Mathematics and Science, Padang State University. Now I will tell you about an article. The title is Why the Light of the Thunder and the Sound of the Thunder Didn't Come Together. Let me tell you about the
article of natural science phenomena. Before that, I will tell you generally about the lighting. Lighting is a natural phenomenon that occurs because of the potential difference between cloud and earth or cloud and other clouds. When there is a potential difference in the cloud, one side of the cloud will be positively charged and the other side will be negative. If the potential difference is large enough, there will be a discharge of negative electrons which will later become lighting. Even though it has enormous power and energy, lighting is not a natural disaster. This is because nowadays there are lighting rods that can easily ward off lighting so as not to injure living things on earth. Why the thunder light and the sound of the thunder didn't come together? When there is lighting, we will definitely see the lighting first, after which the thunder will appear. Why is that? This occurs because of the difference in the propagation speed of light waves or lighting and sound waves or thunder. Wave propagation speed is the distance traveled by the wave per unit time. The speed of light waves or lighting is 300 million meters per second, while the speed of sound waves is only 340 meters per second. Due to this difference in propagation speed, the thunder and the thunder didn't come simultaneously. The thunder came first, then a few moments later the sound of the new thunder could be heard. Lighting generally occurs during the rainy season. Lighting both large and small, even though it is not a natural disaster, can still cause casualties and other damage that can be fatal. Therefore, the community needs to prepare for this by increasing awareness and knowledge of lighting. Next, the science aspect about the lighting. There are two science aspects about the lighting, is physics and chemistry. The physics concept contained in the process of the formation of lighting is about the Coulomb force or electric force that arises and is influenced by the amount of electric charge of each object and the square of the distance between the electrically charged objects. In addition, there is also a relationship between the amount of electric potential and the electric field as the cause of lighting. The greater the charge, the greater the potential difference between the cloud and the ground, so that the greater the electric field that occurs. If the generated electric field exceeds the strength of the penetrating ground air, there will be a discharge at the time. In the chemistry, lighting occurs due to the accumulation of negative and positive free ions in cloud. Electric ions are generated by friction between cloud, and also this ionization event is caused by change in shape. Free ions occupy the cloud surface and move with the wind that blows. If the clouds are collected in a place, the charged cloud will have enough potential difference to pick up the sound. The connection between light and the ozone layer is that the ozone layer plays a role in forming the ozone layer. The ozone layer is an compound. Lighting plays a role in triggering a chemical reaction for oxygen to carbon dioxide. Simplified, 3 oxygen compounds will break down into 6 oxygen compounds, and finally 2 carbon dioxide compounds are formed. The process would not have without the help of lighting.
Okay guys, that's all about my speech. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.